What's going on, guys? It's Nick back with another episode of Texas Chunk. Today I'm going fishing with about 8 friends, right?
Yeah.
About 8 friends. We might do like a little tournament in between us. Maybe not. Eric's calling right now. Hold on. All right. Anyway, guys. Back to what I was saying. Today we're gonna be kayak fishing. The weather conditions are a little windy. It's kind of chilly, so the water's probably gonna be chilly. I don't know if there's still cattails up. I'll get back to you with the GoPro footage. Right now we're gonna go get some breakfast and then go pick up one of Vincent's friends. But anyway, all right, I'll get back to y'all in a minute. All right, guys, so the layout of the tournament is gonna be me, Vincent, Pedro, Eric. We're gonna do teams of 2, so little duo teams. And Eric's brother and Vincent's friend Ethan. So hopefully me and Vincent can pull off a dub. Alright. We're gonna go to the other side of the quarry. And we're gonna see if we can outfish these people. It's a little bit windy, but it's not too bad. So sorry if you can't hear me too good. I need a new kayak. This thing's low to the water as can be. I feel like I'm almost in the water. But we'll deal with it for right now until I can get a bigger one. Probably whenever I get a job, honestly. But yeah, right now we're gonna fish this little area. I'm gonna throw a shaky head, the grande bass on it. I dyed the tail. I'm not sure how this is gonna work, but hopefully it does. Right now everybody has 0 fish. Hopefully we can come up with like 2 out of this little brush. But yeah. Let's go. Honestly, the wind isn't that bad. I've been in the quarry whenever it's like been like crazy windy. It's not that bad today. First cast. No, it went in the freaking bush. I'm gonna catch it right here. There, I got one. No! Oh! Oh my gosh! Give us time to fish this real quick. Spinning reels aren't the best. Got one. Oh, it feels like a good one. It's Bertha. No, it's just a decent one. Yeah.
Hey, that's a Texas shark.
It's a 2-pounder. Yeah. Here, hold up. Let me get the tournament picture. Alright guys, as you saw, I just caught like a 2-pounder on the shaky head. So me and Vincent both have one. And we're gonna get back to fishing. Vincent just caught another one. This is our 3rd fish of the tournament. Plenty more to come. We both caught like pretty decent fish. That's probably like a 1.5. And the other one that he caught was about 1 pound, and the one that I caught was about 2 pounds. I'm about to crush the fish right now. But anyway, he's gonna let it go. And we're gonna see if we can catch more fish. Are we gonna fish this cove back here? Hope I don't speak too soon, but I think the wind kind of died down a little bit. The baits I'm using so far, I have this red crankbait, which I caught a clutch fish at our high school bass tournament. Me and Colin. It's a red crankbait imitating crawfish, which we've seen some crawfish claws around here in the past previously. So that should work. And then I also have a shaky head on, which I caught my first fish on. And yeah, hopefully we can get on some more fish. So I just caught a girl, female. As you can see, she's full of eggs. What did you say this is? It's probably about like a 2.5, 3. But right now I'm pretty sure we're leading the tournament. I gotta whisper. Our teammates are around us, or our enemies. We have 6 fish, right? 5. We have 5. 2. Yeah, we have 5 fish already, and
Like they're ready to spawn.
if we were going on size, we would probably be like winning by a lot. But we caught this football. Feel how heavy this thing is.
Ooh.
That's a freaking fat fish. Decided to hook me though in my jacket. Sorry, Mom. But anyway, here, hold this while I unhook myself. I'll get back to you whenever we catch some more fish. Well, I just caught this little guy. He still counts because we're still going by however many you catch. So there's this little a little thing. This is like the fish that Colin would catch. Oh, JK. So yeah. So yeah. Smooth. Alright guys, I think I got a fish on. Yo! I got one. I don't know. I don't think so. Feels small. Oh, it's decent. Oh, it's a smallmouth. No. Alright guys, caught another one. Pretty decent. 2-pounder. So yeah, take a picture of this. This bass looks weird. It looks different. Take a picture of it. Rip the lid right there. You already know. Take a picture of it and we'll let them go. Put on my Snapchat too. Feels so peacefully. Vincent's gonna try to go carry the team on the water. Currently I caught like 4 fish. Or no, yeah, I caught 4 fish, he caught 3, so we're at 7 right now. We just talked to one of the teams and they only have 3 fish as of now. There's like another try-hard team, but I don't know where they went. I'm just kidding, they're not try-hard. There's another team that like disappeared. I don't know where they went. I think they went all the way through that canal and went towards the back of the quarry, like almost by the street and crap. But I caught one on this. I catch 2. I caught 1 on this crankbait and 3 on the shaky head. So, but yeah, I guess I'm just upset right now, aggravated, as I was in my Palestine fishing video, which go watch that video if you haven't. Oh crap, dang, and now I'm slipping because my shoes are soaked. But anyway, I'm gonna try to fish from up here, and Vincent's down there, so I'm gonna see if I can catch a fish from up here. This crankbait, hopefully, and I'll get back to y'all if I do catch a video. Dang, look at that sexy truck. Sir, blessed. So yeah. Alright guys, okay, so what just happened is, let me see if it's recording. Alright, I'm on shore because that stupid kayak overflowed. I didn't feel like getting in it. I cast all the way over there, and I was just working it really slow, shaky head, and then this guy bit it. And oh! I'm trying to keep him like over here, cause I'm all the way up here, and Vincent's on his way. I think, hopefully.
Living never mind, no regrets.
Ooh, no sketching. Dang, crawfish. Oh heck yeah, crawfish right there. Anyway, look at this fish. It's probably like, honestly it's like a 2-pounder. It's not even that big.
It's a big fish.
But I was just happy I caught one up here and had to contribute to the team. I might get back in the water though, so
Yeah?
maybe. So here we go. This fish. Gonna let him go. There he goes. It's number 5. So now our team has 8. Vincent's probably gonna go fish like that little cove. I think he already did, but then he's probably gonna wrap around and fish that side over there too. Alright, I'm gonna keep on fishing right here. Hopefully we can catch about 12 for the team. So yeah. Tournament ends 1:30. Current time is 1:04. There's about 30 minutes left in the tournament. And yeah, so honestly, I might go back out, fish a little bit, but then again, who am I kidding? I'm not. Up, and then probably by the time I'm done loading up, everybody should be coming in. So get back to y'all whenever we're all grouped together. Alright, what's going on, guys? It's Nick back with Texas Chunks. I didn't make an outro to that video, but I'll give you the details of what went down and like what happened. So at the end of the tournament, we all gathered in and we're going off numbers, and we basically just had our pictures approved that like we had caught the fish. That's what the pictures were for. It ended up being Eric's little brother Caleb and Ethan who won. They caught like a total of like 14 fish. Me and my partner Vincent, we caught a total of, I think it was like 10 or 11 fish, and then Eric and Pedro caught like 3 fish all day. So that's how it went down. We are planning on doing more tournaments at the quarry because we just got some news that it should be getting demolished and turned into hotels. So hopefully we can go fish there more. And yeah, I'll get back to y'all with another video maybe next week. Sorry for this late upload. And yeah, catch you on the next one. Bye.